So people have been asking how to make unlimited cash with Opay. So I don't really know if it's possible to make unlimited cash. Like, there's no free money right here. But then I can tell you one way or the other, because if you follow the refer and earn process, maybe you can make money. Because on the refer and earn option, let me show you what I'm talking about. So refer and earn. So if you refer one person, you earn 800 naira. If you refer three people, you earn 3,000 naira. So I don't know if you have a large community, maybe 3,000 people, then you refer all the 3,000 people to join Opay. That's a fucking lot of money. Like 800 multiplied by 3,000, I think that's more than 3 million. I don't know if that's how it works. So let me do calculation. 800 per person multiplied by 3,000 people. So that's whopping 2.4 million, right? Maybe that's unlimited money, I guess. But then that's not the only way to make money on Opay. You can also save and invest on Opay. I have made different kind of videos about how you can actually use the Opay saving option, different options, right? So you can see under the finance section right here, you can see target, savings, save box, fix, spend and save. So you can also use all these four options right here to also make money on Opay. So you can see I also have money in my target savings, and that's my target for the end of the year. So I'm saving 57,150 naira every month. So that's my target. My target is around 400, I guess. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So my target is 400, I guess. Yeah, you can see. So that's my target for the year, and I'm gonna be withdrawing it in the month of December. So I think that will be enough. So I'm gonna earn interest on it, of course. So that is the only way I believe you can make money through Opay. But you looking for unlimited cash, I'm not sure if you are on the same page, and I'm not sure if that is possible to make. But then you can keep on doing your research. Probably you'll be able to see, but you don't have to stress yourself. There is no unlimited cash anywhere. Thank you.